Hi everyone. So I've got this jar. It was originally a clear glass yogurt container. I used Looking Glass spray by Krylon. Just sprayed the inside of this with a few layers, and then I had to add another coat of silver because the Looking Glass spray is quite sheer. So I sprayed the inside again with some other silver. So it turned out really neat. But I want to add some decorations. I have this neat like beaded wrap, and I've cut a strip of this off. It has 5 rows, but I'm only going to use 2. I want to use 2 rows here and 2 rows here. There's some dark spots here, and I just used a silver pen to make those look a little better. I'm just going to cut the 2 rows and try and cut as close to those beads as I can. And now I'm going to cut the second strip. I cut on these edges because there's string sticking out, so I try and get what I can off. Now using a glue gun, I'm going to glue these on. And try not to put too much on so it doesn't show blobs. Okay, now I'm going to glue the bottom part on. Okay, now we have all the trim glued on, and there's a lot of glue strings that need to come off, and I will get them all off in the end too. I'll be still peeling these off forever. Now I'm going to glue some gems. I got these from Michael's Crafts. I'm going to put some pearls around the side, and then some of these gems. I got these gems from Dollar Tree. Okay, here it is. Turned out really neat. I may do the other side with this. I'm not sure yet. We'll make a wonderful candle holder, or you can put some silk flowers in it. You can put a candle in it like this. It's a little bit tall, but there's probably other sizes that would fit. Or you can use a battery candle too. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.